Hello, I'm at the Chalabit well, or the Chalabir well in Aberaeron. Now, where I'm going is the well house, and it's actually quite disappointing when you get here. So, ffynnon goch, and it seems that there was a well house built here in 1881, and that's what so this is the well house. Now, that little symbol there. Now this is number 13, and they've got a guide book, and that shape there is the shape of the Aberaeron spade, which there was a whole row of buildings making these spades in the 1800s. So the disappointing thing about this is that the well itself has actually been capped up. So there's this building, now nice sort of Welsh slated roof, and as we sort of go around here, you've got a really nice little building. It's really, really nice, and then you go around, it's really, really well made, and unfortunately there's nothing in there. There is absolutely nothing in there. So because it's been capped off, this is the River Iron that flows through Aberaeron, and this is that sort of part of the Iron sort of valley. It's a shame that there's this building here, and having a building like this and sort of not having it for purpose, I feel is really disappointing. But there are lots of other really interesting things in Aberaeron, so let's just go back around again and just sort of this would be a really nice little place as a teaching resource, but unfortunately there's nothing other than this building to see. So this is KARL-JAMES Langford on my Seek and Search in Aberaeron in Ceredigion.